Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Brianna and today is my 2020 Amazon favorites. I order so many random things on Amazon. I'm constantly getting packages. I kind of just went through and looked at everything that I've ordered this year and picked out a couple of my favorite items. Most of them are tech items, kind of just random things that I really have enjoyed this year. So if you want to see my Amazon faves, just keep watching. Okay, so everything I discussed will be linked down below if you want to check it out. I have no particular order. These are just my favorite things that I've ordered. So the first one is a wireless mouse. I know this sounds so simple, but honestly, this is my favorite wireless mouse I've ever had. The cool thing that I like about it is that it actually comes with different ports. So if you have the regular USB or USB Type-C, there is a thing for both of those. So I bought the new MacBook, and so my MacBook Pro takes USB-C, but when I'm at work at school, my school computer and laptop has the old USB. So I'm able to simultaneously have these plugged in and just push the button to switch back and forth between my personal and work laptop. So honestly, a wireless mouse is just really handy. Doing the laptop thing for a while kind of makes my hands cramp up, so it's really nice just to have a wireless mouse for when I really just want to kind of have more range of motion when I'm doing things on my laptop. This next one is another laptop accessory. So this is a laptop stand. I love this so much that I actually bought two. So I have one that I keep at home and one that stays at work in my school classroom. This is just a very basic laptop stand. Again, just the little things that you don't think about. Whenever you're on your laptop, you're usually looking down and it's not the best for your posture. So this laptop stand is just great because you're able to have better posture. It's easier to type and see things. Of course, now I'm sitting a lot lower, but if I were in like a normal chair, I would have more of a posture-friendly stance. And so I love this laptop stand. It comes apart, so if you do need to travel, all you do is just snap off these ends like that. Just easy 3 pieces. I used to only have one and I got tired of taking it back and forth between work and home, so I decided to just buy 2, and it's very simple, but I absolutely love having a laptop stand. It makes editing and working a whole lot easier. Next is my tripod. I'm filming on it right now, but I'll show you guys a picture. I have tried a bunch of different tripods, and the one that I've mentioned, I think in a previous video, it was a Mac Trim, a blue tripod. I bought that one, I think twice. It was a pretty expensive tripod, but it just kept breaking, and so I decided to kind of look into different tripods. This one that I'm filming on is a Geekoto tripod. It was a bit more expensive. I believe it was over $100, but it has been so worth it. The thing that I really like about this tripod is that you are able to extend it and flip it over, and so it's really great for doing overhead shots. If you guys look at my unboxing video of my HomePod Mini, that was me using that tripod in that overhead shot. There's just a lot more you can do with this type of tripod. It's also a lot more durable than the Mac Trim, so if you're looking for a kind of more expensive but definitely not unaffordable tripod, I've really loved using this one. So another camera accessory that you guys are currently watching me on is my 22mm lens. This baby, I film, I'm going to say like 95% of my videos on. It was super affordable for a Canon brand lens. It was only about $200 on Amazon. I think I did buy it refurbished, so it might have been a bit cheaper. I'll link down below for the used and new version. This one is an awesome lens. It's 22mm, but if you have a cropped camera, it's really more like maybe 30-35. I film mostly all of my videos on this. It's just the perfect focal length. It gives you the nice blurred background. Of course, right now I do have my couch in the background, but if you guys watch most of my videos I'm filming on this lens, it's also a pancake lens, so it's super flat, lightweight. It is honestly my favorite purchase, and it's definitely a great lens to have in your kit. Next is my electric lighter. I absolutely love this. I'm never going to buy a regular gas lighter again. This has a flexible head. All you do is just charge it with a normal, I think it's a USB-C, and you light things. My candles all over the house. I have so many candles. Having an electric lighter is so handy, and you also never have to worry about running out of gasoline fluid or having to buy more. You just keep charging it and it's good to go. If you have not tried an electric lighter, you've been missing out. There's so many on Amazon, but I'll link this particular one down below. This next one is for my gym people out there. So if you go to the gym, I'm sure you guys have seen the cable machines, and you know, with COVID, but even before COVID, it's kind of gross with everybody using those same like straps and bands and all those things that go on the cables. So at the beginning of this year when COVID happened, I went on Amazon and ordered these cute pink ankle straps, and so I like to use these for leg day. I'll do things like cable kickbacks, and they're super cute. I'm the only one who's using them, so nobody else's sweat is getting in them, and they're just a nice accessory to have. Like I said, if your gym is open, all of those cable accessories are being used by tons of different people, and honestly, your gym probably doesn't clean them. So if you enjoy going to the gym, hitting some cable leg days, you definitely should get your own ankle straps, and they also come in this cute little carrying bag. Another gym accessory is this dupe for a GYMSHARK top. Look at this top. If I didn't tell you it was a dupe, you'd probably think it was GYMSHARK. So I own a couple of things from GYMSHARK, but it's really overpriced, and lately their sales haven't really been worth spending the money and shipping. So I found this on Amazon, and honestly, this is the cutest, most comfortable top. So it's a crop top. It has kind of like this mesh, like breathable material, and this is key, very key, there are thumb holes. I love anything that has thumb holes. The sleeves are also really long, so I have pretty long arms, and lots of times when I buy things that are long sleeve, they usually come like way above my wrist. This top is super cute. I'm probably going to order this in different colors. They do have matching leggings. I have not tried those yet, but when I do, I'll let you guys know. So if you want to buy a full matching set, they have them. This top was about half the price of a GYMSHARK top, and it got here in 2-day shipping. So if you want to look nice when you're working out, going to the gym, but don't want to pay that GYMSHARK money, definitely look into getting these tops and sets. This next one is a hygiene product. If you have a Philips toothbrush, you know how expensive those toothbrush head replacements are. I got these from Amazon. I think it was a pack of like 20 or 30 different toothbrush heads, probably for the price of maybe a couple of the Philips ones. They fit perfectly fine, they work the same, but they were a fraction of the price. I already have the Philips brand toothbrush. The heads are just things that you're going to replace every 5 to 6 months. Don't waste money on Philips brand. Amazon has so many good replacement heads, and they work the same, they look the same, they just don't have the Philips name brand. This next one I don't currently have on me. It stays in my classroom, but this is a 10-foot long power strip. If you guys have watched my teacher vlogs, my classroom, like the outlet locations was just terrible. A regular like 3-foot long power strip was not going to work. So I bought two 10-foot long power strips, and the key thing is that the plug part is flat, not the ones that stick out. So if you're putting it behind like a desk, a dresser, any of that, it's definitely going to come in handy. So if you don't have a 10-foot long extension power cord, you definitely need to get them. They also have surge protection, so you're not going to like blow an outlet. You can easily just flip the switch, turn it on and off. Next is my iPad case. So this is the iPad Pro I bought this year, the 11-inch, a cute faux leather case. I love this case. It just looks so sleek and nice. It has a cute strap. There's even a pocket in the front that I don't think I've actually used yet, but if you're a student or just have like a note you need to jot in there, there's a pocket. On the inside, there are also different slots so that you can prop up your iPad. I always do this while I'm like eating or working, just sitting down like looking at Netflix or YouTube. There's also another strap on the inside to carry it that way. And there is a spot to put your Apple Pencil. So once you open up the case, you stick your iPad into this hard shell. It's not only cute, but your iPad is protected, and it's a slot for your Apple Pencil. Simple, but I absolutely love this case. They also have it for the larger iPad if you have the bigger one, but mine is just the smaller 11-inch iPad. Oh, and there's also a hole in the back so you can take photos and videos with your case on. Okay, and the last thing is gel nail polish. This is the brand Beetles. I have their base, their top coat. I bought a bunch of different colors. I switch off between doing dip and gel on my fingers. I always do gel on my toes though, Beetles is super affordable, and they have lots of these cute like monochromatic kits. So I bought the purple one, I have a pastel kit. These are just cute nail polishes. If you have not started trying to do your own nails at home, I promise you it's going to save you so much money from going to the salon. It's also fun to kind of just give yourself that time to pamper yourself and do your nails. So this brand Beetles is one that I really do enjoy. So those are all of my 2020 Amazon favorites. What have you guys ordered this year? Comment down below what are some of your Amazon favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We are almost to the end of 2020, which is absolutely crazy. I would love it if you guys help me reach my goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers before the new year. I also am doing a giveaway, and one of you guys can win a free pair of Apple AirPods. I'll leave that video down below if you want to enter. But again, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.